Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a complaint in Vigilance. First, it's crucial to understand what constitutes a vigilance matter. This involves identifying any acts of corruption, misuse of power, or unethical conduct within an organization. Next, determine the correct authority to receive your complaint, as different bodies handle various types of grievances. Finally, begin gathering all necessary evidence and documentation to support your claims effectively, ensuring your complaint is within their purview. Gathering robust evidence is a critical step. Collect all relevant documents, such as emails, financial records, or internal memos, that substantiate your claims. Be precise with details, including specific dates, times, and the names of all individuals involved. It's vital that all your evidence is verifiable and directly supports your allegations. Aim for at least 3 strong pieces of corroborating evidence to strengthen your case significantly. When submitting your complaint, you typically have several options: an online portal, postal mail, or even in-person delivery at the Vigilance office. Clearly state the nature of your complaint and provide a detailed, chronological account of the events. Attach all your supporting evidence, ensuring it is well organized. Always keep a complete copy of your submitted complaint and any acknowledgement receipt you receive. This record is crucial for future reference and follow-up. After submitting your complaint, it's important to understand the typical processing time, which can vary significantly, often ranging from a few weeks to several months. If you haven't heard back after a reasonable period, perhaps 4 to 6 weeks, consider inquiring about its status. Be prepared to provide any additional information or clarification if the authorities request it. Maintaining open communication and keeping a record of all interactions will be beneficial throughout the investigation process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.